morning, everyone. My name is Sir Jude, and today tatapusin na natin ang video lecture about our final macromolecule of life, which is represented by the 5 food that I will present to you. Okay, so here we have cheese, and then mayonnaise. Tapos we have cooking oil, specifically olive oil. And then we have steroids na buff ng muscles. And lastly, we have fats. Anong common sa kanilang lima? Sa lima po ay binubuo ang lipids, otherwise known as fats, or sa Tagalog po ay taba. Ngayon, just like any macromolecule of life, saan po ba gawa ang lipids? Ang building blocks po ng lipids ay tinatawag natin na fatty acids. At bukod pa po doon, ang main function po ng lipids ay to serve as energy storage and structural component ng cell membranes. No? So, karamihan nakikita nating feedback sa mga lipids ay puro negative kasi nakakataba, hindi daw nakaka-sexy. At the same time, it's also deadly because too much fat will eventually kill your insides. But ito naman po ang mga positive consequences naman po na pwede nating makuha sa lipids. Okay? Now, ito po ang structure ng fatty acids natin. Ngayon, dito sa COOH sa right side, ito yung tawag natin na hydrophilic site. So that means yan yung portion na gusto niya sa water o hahalo sa water. On the other hand, we also have the hydrophobic site. Yan yung portion naman na ayaw sa water. So, ngayon, we can notice that the hydrophobic site is longer and dominates than the hydrophilic site. So ngayon, that's the reason why pag pinaghalo natin yung lipids with water, they will never mix at all. Magpo-form po ng layers. Okay, ngayon, we have two types of fatty acids. Yung nakikita nyo pang names ng fatty acids dyan, those are just examples, hindi pa sila yung pangalan ng types, okay? We have palmitic acid, tapos we also have palmitoleic acid. So, kung papansin nyo po, may mga numbers po kayo nakikita sa palmitic at saka sa palmitoleic. So, ayan na pala. Now, palmitic acid, its designation is 16:0. Okay? What does 16 stand for? 16 stands for the number of carbon atoms. And for both fatty acids, both of them contain 16 carbon atoms. So let's count. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, 4, we have 5, 6, we have 7, we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, tsaka 16. Okay? Now, kung papansin nyo po, palmitoleic acid has a carbon-carbon double bond which I encircled in red. No? And that's the distinction, physical distinction between saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. Ang unsaturated fatty acids natin ay mayroong carbon-carbon double bond. Kahit isa lang yan, it will automatically be classified as unsaturated. This is the reason why in palmitic acid, the number after 16 is 0. This number pertains the number of carbon-carbon double bonds. Okay? Kaya sa palmitoleic acid, you see 1 carbon-carbon double bond, so the designation is 1. Now, for the designation of palmitoleic acid, you will also see a triangle shape and an exponent 9. What does 9 stand for? 9 stands for the position of the carbon-carbon double bond. Okay? So, itong si number 9. Sir, bakit hindi po kasama si number 10? That's because pinipili natin yung mas mababang number. But we'll go on later when it comes to designations. Okay? Now, let's characterize saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. For saturated fatty acids, I simplified the characterization using an acronym SSSA. So first S stands for saturated. Second S stands for the presence of the carbon-carbon single bonds. The third S stands for its natural state, which is solid. And letter A stands for its cell source, which is animal. Nakukuha po ang saturated fatty acids sa mga animals. And ayan po ang food sources, example of food sources ng fatty acids were red meat, dairy products, even coconut oil. Next po. Yon. For unsaturated fatty acids, the acronym that we'll be using to characterize them is UDLP. U stands for unsaturated. Letter D stands for the presence of carbon-carbon double bonds. Letter L because they exist in liquid form naturally. And it can be derived from plant cells. Okay? These are examples of unsaturated fatty acids and their food sources. So olive oil, canola oil, avocado, salmon, tuna, flax seeds, nuts, sunflower oil, corn oil. So between the two po, the healthier set of fatty acids is unsaturated because not only it is derived from plants, but it also exists in liquid form naturally. So remember kasi, no, ang fats natin hindi na humahalo sa tubig. So therefore, kailangan natin siyang i-burn. At because liquid lang sa unsaturated fatty acid, mas madali siyang i-burn compared kay saturated fatty acid. Ngayon, let's draw fatty acids. Start with palmitic. Yan. For palmitic acid, it has 16 carbon atoms with 0 carbon-carbon double bonds. We always start with COOH. And from there, meron na tayong isang carbon atom. And because ang target natin is 16, we need to draw 15. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and lastly, 16. Palmitic acid po ay nakukuha po from margarine. So palmitic acid ay pwede nating makuha from margarine. And sa mga famous food na ginagamitan ng margarine is pinatog. Sorry for that. Next po, number 2, we have butyric acid. It contains 4 carbon atoms with 0 carbon-carbon double bonds. Now, si butyric acid, maikli lang siya, no? Kasi 4 lang. Pwede siyang makuha sa butter. And yung nakikita niyo pong sample ng food is biryani, which is a Muslim. Okay? So we start with COOH. So we already have 1, we only need 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. That's how easy to draw saturated fatty acids. Now, what if, let's say, for example, you are given the drawing and your task to write the designation of the fatty acids. Okay? So, pag ganyan po, only need to do is to count the number of carbon atoms. So in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And since wala namang carbon-carbon double bonds, the designation will be 6:0. Si caproic acid ay nakuha from cheese and pwede natin siya makuha from pizza. And lastly, we have arachidic acid. That's very long. Makuha natin sa nuts. No? So the food that you see on the right, that's inandila, kalinga, fish. So ilan ba ang carbon atoms sa arachidic acid? Start counting from the right. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Because wala naman pong carbon-carbon double bonds, ang designation po natin is 20:0. Okay? Now, sa next video ko po, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano mag-drawing and mag-write po ng unsaturated fatty acids. Till then po, practice muna kayo drawing and writing saturated fatty acids. Ito naman po ang list natin from butyric acid down to behenic acid. Okay? I'll be back. This is Sir Jude. See you later.